The attack is still in process, and chess pawns are being attacked by the cannon enemy. Now, before the second final war will start, let's show you the stage which is set up for the second final destruction. And the stage is set up in the middle of lavish and great buildings of Dubai. And the chess pawns are already set up on the stage, waiting for the orders of their respected commanders. And now they're inside the stage. The chess pawns are waiting and already set up on the stage. Before the stage, or before the final destruction, we will show you around the great buildings of Dubai. This second final championship is being played in Dubai. You can see the great buildings, and you will be able to watch this final match through the corridor, all through the windows of these great buildings. And Dubai has given a great deal for those who want to sell or buy these buildings. And it's a great will to watch the final match. Let's go back to the stage. And the stage is looking great now. The commanders are on the stage walking and towards the chess pawns, giving respect to the spectators and to each other. Now they will walk towards and will give respect, greetings, and saying best of luck for the final championship. Now they are going back to the corners, and then they will start. Now, before the final destruction, they are walking between the chess pawns. And now, this time, now they are going back where they started, so that they will start the fight. Now, the cannons are coming out. That will take an important part in this championship. The attack will be done through these golden shining cannons, and it will be great to watch. Now within a few seconds the war will start, and the commanders will give orders. Now this is the final walk towards the stage, from where they will order these cannons to attack the opponent's chess pawns. Now they are in the position, and the attack has started. Now the war is over and both commandos are requesting you to please subscribe the channel so that we show you more such videos. Thank you for watching Just Animation Kids.